This is why you should name short-term guardians for your minor children today. I'm Taylor Kaspar, Minnesota estate planning attorney. I help parents make sure that if something were to happen to them, the right people would love, advise, and take care of their children. So this is why you should name short-term guardians for your minor children today. So first things first, what is a short-term guardian? You might be familiar with a long-term guardian, right? Like if you die, who would take care of your children? But some people don't know this. You can also name short-term guardians for your kids to take care of them if something were to happen to you just for a little bit and you're going to recover, be able to parent again, or be restored to your previous mode of being before you needed your short-term guardian to take over. What are some instances where you might need a short-term guardian? A lot of people think of calamities, right? Car crash, major illness, and you're in the hospital and you can't care for your kids. And that is definitely a reason to name short-term guardians for your kids, to make sure that there's never any lapse in the ability to have healthcare provided for them, have school forms and documents signed off, things of that nature. But you also want to consider naming short-term guardians for your minor kids for some of the more happy things in life that a lot of parents do, like taking that anniversary trip to Cabo, or going out of town for the weekend with your significant other, or just anything like that. Or, you know, sometimes people have their kids be carpooled by other families to the hockey tournament, to the dance competition, and things of that nature. And those are all instances where you may consider giving legal authority to that grandparent, that family friend that's going to have the children for any point or length of time, to be able to make decisions on behalf of that child to get them healthcare. Like if you're out of town for a few days and somebody gets an ear infection or something like that, where it's not life-threatening, they may not be able to provide consent to have your child receive certain types of care without the authority of having that short-term guardianship nomination. It's also a nice cover if you're ever changing things, like, you know, a lot of us have filled out the forms at the school or the daycare for pickup and, you know, authorized persons. But sometimes things change. Like if your kid does a 1 week, you know, camp over the summer or something like that, there may not be the same opportunity to fill out a form that gives authority to somebody for pickup and drop off. A short-term guardianship nomination will do the trick and do the same job as those types of forms would. So make sure you get that taken care of. And if you have questions about how to do that, after you've liked this video and subscribed to this channel, make sure you pop down to the link in the description below to book a no-charge 15-minute phone call with me. Thanks for watching.